Here is the Kia Seltos, and in order to replace the license plate lights, we have to first open up the hatch halfway through, so that gives us access to the lights. We just have to take off the one screw, and that's a Phillips head screw. For that you'll need a Phillips head screwdriver. So let's go ahead and get that screw out. That screw is the only thing that's holding the light in place. So once you get the screw out, just keep it somewhere safe so you don't lose it. Press on the light from one end and then press it from the other end, and put the screwdriver in that hole there and then twist it, and that'll get the light out from the body. Now grab the bulb holder and then twist it left to loosen it, and now you will be able to get it out. To get the bulb out, just grab the bulb and pull it out straight. The bulb number is 194. Check the link in description to buy the new bulb from Amazon. Get the new bulb and simply push it down back into the bulb holder to secure it. And now let's put the lens back on, and you may have to do some twisting and turning of the bulb holder before it just sits and flush like this. See, it's not sticking out. At this point, just twist your right to lock it and you're done. And this side with that little hook over there, it goes in first. So get it in place, keep one thumb on it, and then get the other side in place. Hand tighten the screw in place first, and then just tighten it down using the Phillips head screwdriver. And it's the exact same process for the other one. And that's pretty much it. Hope you found it useful. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory.